Hello guys, in this video we're going to teach you how to buy crypto with credit card on your OKX. And it's pretty simple. So the first thing you'll have to do is press deposit right here and then P2P trading. You will have to select the cryptocurrency or the fiat currency that you're buying on. So let's go with US dollars right here and then search up your payment method. So the first things that you can actually do right here is actually scroll through on which bank do you have. So if you have American Express, you can do so. I don't think it's here, so you'll have to search the one that's compatible. But basically, I think bank transfer will do best right here. So there's also Express right here if you cannot do so. So you can buy right here, select payment method, and these are the only ones that you can choose. So if you have a credit card under this payment methods, you can also do so. And block trade is going to be a bigger order version of your P2P. If you're buying cryptocurrency at a large rate, you would use your block trade. But I wouldn't use this, and nobody really uses this because maybe they're purchasing 500,000 US dollars worth of cryptocurrency. So all you have to do basically is find your payment method right here, scroll through on which credit card or bank that you have, and you can switch with your fiat currencies if you don't see your bank right here. You can switch to your local country and use that as your basis for your bank. So if you live in Qatar, there's going to be payment methods done in Qatar right here, as you can see. And there you go. It's just that simple to buy cryptocurrencies with a credit card on your OKX.